What's up, YouTube? Today we're taking a look at a 93 in African Blackwood. How did I come across this? Well, one moment. I got lucky on a drop. Barely got this reserved from Collector Knives. Mike Latham. All right. No shield. Gotcha. I can see a little bit of sunlight right here, so to speak. I mean, I'm inside, so. One moment. But that's pretty picky, and I think it's good to go. And I'm not just saying that. I think that that one is, so far, I don't know if it's the best of the three that I have, including this. But honestly, I think it is. Let me wipe this off camera. I thought that I had fixed the tripod, but that it's not fixed. Why would it be fixed? A very nice piece. Look at the edge up there. Tis wonky, my good sir. Got the CK laser engraved. Or is that engraved, or is that just regular billboarding? The etch. That's pretty classy. This whole thing is pretty classy, I'm not gonna lie. I think it was out of 200 pieces made. I happened to score just one. I mean, not just one. Like, I'm thrilled to have this. All right, so hang on. I'm gonna go grab the right there. The right there. Just wanna chill. Be cool, baby. 93, 93. All right, I got the other two 93s from this run. The other 93s that I've owned in the past, you're gonna have to look them up on your own. They're on the channel though. It's just that I think I have moved most of them down the road. Probably for the same reason that I'm back and forth, guys, on whether I should jettison most of my GEC collection or not. Because, I mean, it's just the age-old, like, collector dilemma of, and I even have them insured, but it's like, at some point they're just a liability and they're not an asset anymore. And I don't know if I've reached that. Probably though. I'll be real with you. Probably. Trying to find room. There goes a tube. Well, hang on. There we go. So now you can see the lay of the land, so to speak. Which do I like more? This bone looks really good. I like the natural micarta. I like natural micarta, so even though there is a gap, which is better? I am more of a wood guy, but that natural micarta is pretty dope. So it's hard for me to tell, to really know which one I think would be the best. So yeah, this is what I got. I will say that long strike match pole, is that a match pole? No, it's not. It's just a long nail nick. It looks nice though. Aesthetically, I don't know. I mean, this is the classiest knife of the three. I do like this one though, and I like this one as well. So it's tough. This one is pretty nice. Something about this bone though. Yeah, I don't know. It's hard. It gets hard sometimes to really figure out where you're at. This would be one of those times. If you see these and you can get them, get a hold of them, I would. Even though there's a tiny little gap in the top one's shield to the micarta, you're not going to regret it. It's just is what it is. So yeah, that's about all she wrote for this one. Thanks for sticking with me to the end, and I hope you folks have a good rest of your day. Bye now.